Hello everyone, the next topic is electric flux. So the electric flux is the total number of electric line of force passing through area normally. So this is total number of electric lines of force passing through area normally. Passing through area normally. So it is denoted by phi E. Phi is the electric flux. E for electric flux. It is phi E is equal to E dot S, dot product of electric field and surface area. It is equal to E S cos theta. Say that this is equation number 1. Suppose we have any area S. This is electric field. The electric field is uniform in this case. Here are two cases. Number 1 is uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. So this is uniform electric field. In this case, area is normal to electric field. Means area S is normal to electric field. So from equation number 1, electric flux is equal to Es cos 0. In case uniform electric field, when the area is normal, in this case cos theta is equal to 0 degree, so it is equal to Es. So say that this is A. Number B, if area is not normal to electric field. If area is not normal to electric field, means this is surface and this vector is electric field, area vector S. So here is angle theta between the area and electric field. So this is E cos theta. This here is normal to area. This vector is normal to area. So in this case, phi E is equal to Es cos theta, which is equal to E vector dot S vector. So this is the first case. In second case, if electric field is non-uniform, in this case, the flux through small area ds, suppose this is surface area, these are electric line of force, means flux. Say that this is small area ds and area vector is normal to this area. E is electric field. The angle between these two is theta. So the flux through small area ds, here is small flux d phi, which is equal to E dot ds. In order to calculate total flux over the whole surface S, total flux is integrate or taking summation over all the small areas. So here is phi E, which is equal to summation E dot ds. This is equal to summation E vector dot n cap ds. ds is the magnitude of area and n cap is its unit vector, which is normal to area. So summation means all elements, or phi E is equal to, replace this summation with integration. Here is E dot ds. This is the symbol for integration. Means in order to find total area or total flux, we use this symbol. So this is equal to E dot n cap ds. This is equal to this dot product, magnitude of first, magnitude of unit vector is 1. So this is ds cos theta. It is equal to, taking this symbol, this means over the closed surface S. So it is E ds cos theta. So over the closed surface S, phi is equal to integration of this one. We can write it as, so this is the symbol used for surface integral over closed surface. Surface integral for closed surface. Surface. So flux are of three types. Flux are of three types. Also, so here phi E is equal to over the closed surface S E d s cos theta. This is the expression for electric flux. So types of flux. Types of flux. Flux are of three types: positive, negative, or zero. Positive, negative, or zero. Number one is, if theta is less than 90 degree, suppose this is area, here is positive Q charge, the flux is in outward direction, electric line of force are in outward direction. Say this is electric field, taking here small area ds vector, and here is n cap, the angle between these two. This is the unit vector normal to area. So in this case flux is positive, phi E is positive and is directed outward, and is directed outward. Second case, if theta is greater than 90 degree, in this case if we have area S, here is negative Q charge, electric flux is in inward direction. Say that this is area small ds, this is also ds area, this is the direction of electric field, and unit vector normal to this area is n cap, the angle between two is theta. So in this case phi E is negative and is directed into the surface, and is directed into the surface. So number third is, when theta is equal to 90 degree, suppose we have surface, these are electric flux, E is electric field. So here is small area ds, unit vector is normal to this area, angle between them is 90 degree. So in this case phi E is equal to Es, put in this equation, Es cos theta cos 90 degree, which is equal to 0. So flux is equal to 0. Thank you.